You can't fake reliability. Every PixelFLEX LED display goes through a full quality check and burn-in process before it ever leaves our warehouse. Our 3-touch quality control process starts with matching every panel and component to your project plans. This ensures you have no surprises when it arrives to you. Then we inspect all incoming parts and run spot checks throughout production. Next, we run visual tests across the entire wall, checking color, brightness, and consistency panel by panel. So what you see on site looks exactly like what we validated in-house. We double check every processor, cable, accessory, and custom piece to make sure it's all included, protected, and ready to light things up. We do all of this for one reason. We take the extra time because the LED solution you purchase deserves to work the way you expect it to. Reliability isn't optional. When your system shows up ready to install, performs the way it should, and keeps your project on schedule, that's how you know it's PixelFLEX.